In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in HubSpot. Whether you're new to website creation or looking to streamline your process, I'm here to guide you through each step so you can get your new site up and running in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To start, you'll need to visit the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button in the top right corner. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page. If you're someone who prefers convenience and lives within the Google ecosystem, you can click on Sign in with Google. This option allows you to choose your Google account, simplifying and expediting the login process. After successfully logging in, you want to navigate your way to the content section. This is where all the magic begins. By spending a bit of time here, you'll be familiarizing yourself with the hub from which you'll build and manage your website. Next, move on to website pages, a subsection of content where you get to see any existing pages you might already have, or as we'll be doing here, start fresh with a new one. Now, it's time to unleash your creativity. Find and click on the Create button. This is your gateway to bring new ideas into the world. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a template for your website. This is an exciting step because templates provide a foundation, giving you style and structure that you can later customize to your liking. Spend a little time browsing through the available options to find one that aligns with your vision or brand. Once you've selected the perfect template, it's time to start adding elements to your website. Think about the components that make up every effective site. Headers, images, text blocks, and call to action buttons. You want your site to be engaging and compelling for visitors. HubSpot's editor is intuitive, so just drag and drop these elements into place and feel free to play around with their arrangement until it feels just right. Before you get too carried away with design, don't forget an important detail: your page title. This is set in the top right corner and is crucial for SEO purposes, helping people find your site through search engines. After you've double-checked everything and you're pleased with your design and content, the final touch is to publish your site. Hit that Publish button in the top right corner to make your website live to the world. Congratulations! You've just built your website in HubSpot and it's ready for visitors. And there you have it. Building a website in HubSpot made easy in 5 minutes. I hope you found this guide helpful and your new site serves your needs spectacularly. Thanks for watching and happy building.